I'm back on YouTube, and in this video we will learn about the deep generative models. So what is basically deep generative model means? Deep generative model is something when AI creates something on its own. Let's understand with the help of example. Like humans do, like when Newton understand like apple is falling on his head, later he invented gravity. This is how the deep generative models work. You just create something, some copy, and it creates completely new things. This is how the AI images nowadays are created. You just put your imaginations and the whole new image comes into the picture. This is how the deep generative model work. Deep means understanding and creating things on your own. Generative means generation of the movie, video, songs, images, and model just a fancy word used when something in AI comes up. Like AI means models, right? So this is how the deep generative model meaning. Let's understand with another example. You just ate one cookie, but it give you no idea, like it's just a one cookie. You didn't understand its texture, its flavor, and anything. When you eat like approx thousands of the cookie, you understand you can change something in the cookie and create cookie of your own flavor, like orange and vanilla. So this is how, just like a human, AI is just the replicate of a human with a more advancement, without distraction, and with the full focus. We are not focused, right? But AI is focused than us. So this is how the deep generative models work. You give some data and it creates something on its own. But the important picture is that in this video we will learn about what is a deep generative models type. We will understand with the board. The number one is JANS. It's work like a fighting siblings, like two AI fighting with each other to create something better. Like AI1. AI1 created one image, but AI2 said, "Oh, you loser, it is not the right image, create one more." Then AI1 again create another image. Then AI2 again said, "You are a loser." And then this process continue for the thousand of the time, and then finally the perfect image comes into the picture. So this is how GNS comes into the picture, just like a fighting sibling, two AI fighting with each other to create something better, create amazing stuff, okay? And then VAES is a dreamer. It is a dreamer because you just a tiny bit of the code of that image, just a tiny bit of information, and create completely new image of its own. That's how the VAES, just with a tiny part, it creates something on your own. For example, you gave the Pokemon fire Pokemon, but it create the iPhone Pokemon. So this is how it's a dreamer. It create the dream things. And second is diffusion. It's a magician, completely magician. You give a image, like it's work on the reverse thing. You give it an image with a lots of noise, it add more noise, and then it slightly remove the noises layer by layer to create the perfect picture. This is how the diffusion, that's why it's called magician, because it's blurred the image and then it's clear the image. This is how its process works. So this is all for you today. If you like this video, please like it and subscribe it, and see you in the next video. Tata.